Hello and welcome back. Okay, that's enough theory. Let's do something. In this lesson, we're going to set up a software wallet called MetaMask or MetaMask that is compatible with all of the investment options that we will look at later in this course. However, there is one drawback with MetaMask. It does not work with Bitcoin. Therefore, once we've set up the MetaMask wallet, I will show you how to select a Bitcoin wallet, just in case some of you actually want to purchase some Bitcoin in the immediate future. As for MetaMask, it is a browser extension, which is an application which works in cooperation with your web browser. So please use Google or DuckDuckGo if you're as cool as me, and search for MetaMask so that you can confirm that the website URL for MetaMask is indeed metamask.io. Now, MetaMask works with Google Chrome and Brave browsers. If you use the Safari or Firefox or any other browsers, that's great. Please continue to do so, but for this course, you will need to download either Brave browser or Chrome so that we can install MetaMask. I strongly recommend you choose Brave browser as it has ad blocking built into it as standard. Brave does not track your internet use in the hidden ways that Google Chrome does, and Brave will also pay you to watch advertisements. The payments are not huge, but they do add up over time. You get paid in BAT tokens, which are Brave browser's own cryptocurrency. The links for Brave browser and Google Chrome are shown here, but of course, you're not going to take my word for that, are you? You're going to double check that information for yourself. So, if you're not already using Brave or Chrome, then please pause this lesson and install one of the two now. Okay, please do that now. I'm currently using a Chrome browser here to install MetaMask. So the first thing we want to do is come up to the download button. And now it'll ask us if we're going to install Chrome, iOS, Android. I'm not installing this on a mobile phone, I'm installing it on my MacBook. So we'll click Install MetaMask for Chrome. If you're using Brave, it'll give you different options here. And then the link from the website takes you straight to the Google Chrome store. So I'll click Add to Chrome. And you're going to need to click Add Extension here. This is a browser extension. And of course, a browser extension is a piece of software that runs within the browser. Okay, and as you can see up in the top right corner here, MetaMask has been added. So, first thing we need to do is click on this little jigsaw piece icon. Next to MetaMask, I'm going to pin it so that MetaMask is always visible here in the top right-hand corner of my browser window. And here we are, and let's click Get Started. We're going to create a new wallet, so click the option on the right. And it's up to you if you click yes or no to this. If you click yes, this will just send anonymous information back to MetaMask so they can gather information on how their users use their product. You don't have to. I'm going to click I agree. Okay, so create your new password. And click to indicate you've read the terms of use. Now you're going to need to watch this video about secret recovery phrases. This video will introduce you to the concept, and we will speak a little more about it afterwards. And then click pause on this video whilst you do that. And once you've finished watching this video, just click next. Okay, now I'm going to click to reveal my secret recovery phrase. If you watched that video, you now know what that is. And here's my recovery phrase. So I'm just going to write that down. Now, your secret recovery phrase is supposed to be a secret. I'm showing you mine because I'm not ever going to store any cryptocurrency in this wallet. Once I've made this video using this instance of the wallet, I'm simply going to delete it. But in your case, you do not ever want to show anyone this phrase. The way you use this phrase, if you ever get a new laptop and you reinstall a browser window and you then want to reinstall MetaMask, what you do with MetaMask is instead of setting up a new wallet, you choose to restore an old wallet and then you use this phrase to restore your old MetaMask wallet into your new browser. So now we're asked to reconfirm our secret recovery phrase in order. And obviously, if you get it correct, you see this screen. And there are some tips here on best practice of looking after your secret recovery phrase. Never share it with anyone. Be careful of phishing. MetaMask will never ask you for that phrase. And if you ever lose the secret recovery phrase, you can actually get it from within the wallet itself by going to settings and security. Okay, all done. And here's just some information on some changes they're making. I'm going to close that. And here is my MetaMask wallet. This is all set up and running. And up here where it says account 1, I'm going to click where it says copy to clipboard. I'm going to click paste and paste there. And that is my Ethereum wallet address for this wallet. In your case, obviously, you're going to have a unique address. Now I'm just going to click on the MetaMask icon and I'll give you a quick tour of the wallet. The wallet is currently connected to the Ethereum mainnet. That is the main Ethereum network. If you click to the right of that, then what you can do and what we will be doing later in the course is adding more networks through the add network option here. So you can connect this wallet to different cryptocurrency networks. This little pattern circle there allows you, when you click on it, to create new accounts so you can get more wallet addresses. You can import an account if you have an account on a MetaMask wallet or on any other Ethereum wallet somewhere else. You can actually import it into this wallet as well. You can connect your hardware wallet and control that from MetaMask. That's not something we'll be doing in this course, but you can do it. And here you can click to contact MetaMask support, and here are your settings. And we will be adjusting a few of these settings throughout this course. So if you wanted to refresh your memory on your secret recovery key, you would come here, go to settings, security and privacy, and reveal your secret recovery phrase by using your password. And there's my secret recovery phrase. If I was to go here to the right of my wallet address, click these 3 dots, go down to account details, I could actually export my private key. Once again, I type in my password, and there's the private key that corresponds to my public key. And again, obviously that's a secret information. You wouldn't normally share that with anyone like I'm doing here, but I'm not ever going to put any cryptocurrency into this wallet. If somebody did have this private key and there was Ethereum in this wallet, they could just put this private key into their wallet and they'd be able to steal my Ether. Okay, so we've set up MetaMask. I'm going to end this segment here. And in the next couple of lessons, we're actually going to use this and send a transaction. But for now, I'm just going to end this segment right here. Well, congratulations. You got your first crypto wallet set up, installed, and backed up. And that is the end of this lesson. When you're ready, please join me in the next lesson. For now, thank you very much for your time.